Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today fam, we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys display and brightness setting, and today video title is guys dark theme, how to enable and how to use in Infinix phone device. And you like guys your dark theme guys, you like your dark background. So how can you enable guys your dark theme setting, and how can you use it? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Let's open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this tab setting. Then we'll click on the search bar here guys, dark theme. So we search here guys, dark. As you can see guys, your dark theme setting guys, tap here. And direct guys, you can enable guys your dark theme from here. And once you can see guys, first of all the schedule time. So once you want to schedule, so you can schedule from here. But guys, you don't want to use guys schedule guys, you can off it. So once you can see turn on now guys, tap here to enable your dark theme. Once you can see dark theme, use a black background to help keep battery alive longer on some screens. So once you can see dark theme schedule, wait to turn on until your screen is off. So friends, like that guys, you can enable guys your dark theme setting, and guys you can use guys your dark background and dark theme. Bye guys.